up, everybody? We are here at Chadron State Park, just south of Chadron, Nebraska, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of hiking. I heard they got a lot of trails up here, so we'll see what kind of adventures we can get into. Check it out. Okay, we have reached the trailhead and are starting our hike now. We're kind of out of the woods at the moment, but hoping we can find some bluffs to hike up on and get some cool footage, cool drone shots of the state park down below us. It's a really pretty area up here. It's too bad there was a pretty big fire that went through here several years ago and destroyed a lot of the trees. You can still see quite a few burnt trees up here, but still pretty neat area. What are you getting?
I'm getting diamonds.
Diamonds?
Yeah.
Let's take a look
Crystals.
at this. Look at the diamonds.
I need to get some.
You heard it here first, folks. There are diamonds in Chadron State Park.
I want to get one of those. There.
All right. Did you get plenty? Can I retire? How's your sting doing? Should we look at it?
Come on, babe. It's right there.
Uh-huh. Had a battle wounds from the trail today. A baby bee sting almost turned into a helicopter evacuation and hospital tour. Glad my partner in crime today was able to pull through. All right, well, that hike's over. We made it to the end of the trail. We're back at the pickup now. Pretty neat area, some very neat scenery around here. It's time to head home now, so thank you guys for coming with us, and we'll see you next time.